This is the easiest way to put on your Peloton shoes and actually take them off your feet. Now you can see right here where there's basically this knob. This is called the BOA system. And basically when you pull out one knob, just like I'm doing so here, you can see it unlatches and loosens the strings. And if you tighten it, just make this click in place. You can actually squeeze it, just twist it one way and it will tighten the strings. But if you twist it the other way, you can see it doesn't do anything with the strings. So if you want to take it off your feet, you basically pull this out and you can see right here, it'll loosen the strings. And you can basically just pull this up, and I recommend loosening this when you actually take it off your feet as well. So now that I've pulled this up, I'm gonna basically loosen up my shoe, put it on my foot, and you can see we can tighten it just by pushing down on this and then give it a good twist. And you can see right here, it locks into place. If you want to always take it off your foot, basically you just pull up on this BOA system, this knob right here, and you can see right here, it loosens up and it easily slips off your foot. Bang. Here's how to clip in and out of your bike. You can see right here I have my bike shoes on. And basically what you're going to need to do is you need to make sure the pedal is actually flat enough like this. When you're actually going it, you can push it with your foot. And you can see right here, we can basically just force it into place and it'll automatically just click just like so. And once it's clicked, it's obviously very tight in place. And the same for the other one. You just want to take your toe, push on the front, and you can see right here, there's the small grip inside of the shoe. And you basically just want to push down on it like so. You just want to shake it a bit and you're good to go. That's how you put it in. And to take your shoe out, all you need to do is I recommend having your shoe on like the lower part of the bike. You can see one shoe is higher right now, but basically this one's lower, and you're basically going to want to twist it outwards, twisting it that way, just the back heel. And you can see right here, it'll basically just easily pop out of place, no harm, no struggle. And the same for the other one. You can see right here, this is my foot. Basically just want to twist it. Once it's down, it's a lot easier though. And you can see the same for the other one. You basically want to twist this heel just outwards like that. And you can see right here, it's basically going to pop out of place like so. It's going to require some effort. That's all you need to do.